What's up guys, it's me Caitlin from CCO Tech and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing an accessories unboxing for the iPhone 13 Pro. I recently got this phone and I actually did an unboxing on it, so if you haven't seen that video already, you can check it out after you watch this one, or you can watch the unboxing and then come back to this one. I have just a couple accessories to show you guys because I didn't get anything super crazy. But definitely down the road, I could have some more, let's say, case unboxings or a screen protector or anything along those lines. Maybe another product to complement the phone. We'll see. But if you haven't done so already, make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on post notifications so that you're notified every time I post a new video. Because, especially with this phone, definitely gonna have a lot of new iPhone content that you wouldn't have normally seen on the channel. But without further ado, let's get on with the unboxings. So the first product I have here is a Spade case. If you can kind of see the detailing, it's a little sparkly, but I'm going to take this out of the package and show you guys what the case looks like close up. Open it like that, and then we have the case. It has like a little faux iPhone in there, but take that out. It just has a bunch of paperwork and more stuff to read. Not really necessary for a case. But we have the case right here. It's really nice. I think it has a cool sparkly design. So it's not fully clear. There is a little bit of something to filter over the phone. You can still see the Sierra blue color through it, but it's definitely more muted and it's kind of covered by this coloring of the case. I think it looks really nice. It's really comfortable in the hands. When you press the buttons, it's a little more firm. It still works pretty well, and I haven't dropped the phone at all yet because I'm trying to be extremely careful, so I'm not entirely sure how well it does durability-wise, but I think this case will do me well in the future. The next accessory I have to go along with the case is a screen protector. You can never have a phone, especially a brand new phone, with a case and not a screen protector. Because the second that case fails you, your screen is jeopardized. So, I have a screen protector, which I actually already put on the phone, if you can't tell. I don't know if you can see it, but I do have the screen protector on the phone. Minimal bubbles. I think normally when I put on screen protectors, I'm fine with bubbles on the first day, but then the next day they should all be gone. And that's kind of what it was for this case, or this screen protector. So it's Bluestone. Hopefully I don't have to test the durability of the Spade case or the screen protector, but things happen, phones fall. We'll see how durable it is. I could definitely give you guys an update if you would like that. Last accessory I have is a 20-watt charging brick. I made sure to get one of these because obviously you can use an old iPhone charger for a newer phone, but I knew that I wanted fast charging. And I've actually opened this box and closed it so many times and you can't really tell. But it is the brand called Mophie, and I think it works perfectly. I would plug in my phone and let's say I'm doing something else. I come back in 30 minutes from it being on like 20% to it being on maybe 70 or 60. It charges extremely fast. Like, I'm not used to that kind of fast charging because I'm normally using adaptive fast charging for my Samsung Galaxy A50. So this whole 20-watt charging with the USB Type-C to Lightning cable is a whole different story. But I'm gonna open it up and let you guys see what it looks like. It's nothing really too special, but kind of comes in packaging like that. And then there's a little plastic slip. Yeah, it's your average charging brick. It has a little Mophie brand on it. USB Type-C port. Part where it goes in the outlet. Yeah, I think it looks really nice. The branding's not super large and just out there. Overall, I'm really happy with all of these accessories. Hopefully, the case and the screen protector stay durable. I know this 20-watt charger will do me a great job with charging quickly. Don't have to worry about being on low percentage for a long time. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Comment down below your favorite accessory from this video. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and like the video if you haven't already. And turn on post notifications so that you're notified for any new upload that I post in the future. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.